This video will show you how to make a black coffee such as espresso and Americano using the Smeg coffee machine. If using beans to make a coffee, fill the container with coffee beans. Only add the amount of beans required for the drinks due to be made. This will ensure a fresher tasting coffee. If using ground coffee, add a scoop of coffee to the hopper and select the coffee scoop symbol found in the aroma menu. When using beans, you can adjust the strength of the coffee by using the same menu, but by selecting the desired aroma. You can choose from extra light, light, medium, strong, and extra strong. It's also possible to adjust the strength by adjusting the grind level located in the bean container. This is at the top of the machine. The finer the grind, the stronger the coffee. The grinding adjustment dial must only be turned when the coffee mill is in operation during the initial phase of coffee preparation. If the coffee comes out too slowly or does not come out at all, a message will be shown, ground too fine, adjust grind level. Turn the coffee mill dial 1 or 2 clicks clockwise. For a fuller bodied, creamier coffee, turn 1 click anti-clockwise towards 1. Do not turn more than 1 click at a time, otherwise the coffee could come out 1 drop at a time. The effect of these adjustments will only be evident after at least 2 cups of coffee have been delivered. If this adjustment does not obtain the desired result, repeat the correction by turning the dial another click. Finally, if you wish to adjust the quantity of the coffee produced, you can select small, medium, large, or the extra large option. Place a warmed cup under the coffee spout and then lower the spout so that it is as near to the cup as possible. This will help achieve a better crema on the top of the coffee. Then select your required coffee from the touchscreen. Preparation will begin and the display will show the image of the selected beverage together with a progress bar which gradually fills as the coffee is produced. It's possible to prepare 2 cups of espresso at the same time. If using coffee beans, press the ×2 symbol during preparation. While the machine is making a coffee, extraction can be interrupted at any time by pressing the stop button. To increase the quantity of coffee in the cup, as soon as the extraction has ended, press the extra button. The machine will continue to pull through the coffee. Once the desired quantity has been reached, press stop. To learn how to create milky coffees, please see the video linked in the description. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.